look at me and say, wow, what fine setup you have there. But you don't know what's behind my setup. This wonderful, beautiful setup here, looking all fine and dandy. But let me take you to the back where you do not see. Horror. That is it. So in this video I'll be doing some cable management to fix all these issues. Wow, it's a big task. So I don't know exactly how I'm going to move forward with this, but let's walk through this together. So I plan on adding some screws under here, which will help me hold my zip ties on a loop. So for each loop, maybe I can double the loop, and for each loop then I can pass through my wires there and make sure that they stay in one level and not as dangled as this. So I might create like 5 different loops to span the length of the table and fix most of this. So I'm not exactly sure how this would turn out, but the cable management critics will kill me on this video. But let's see how well I can make this. Hopefully I'll be doing a good job. Better still, I can use this wire instead of zip ties because these are structurally better.
So as you can see, I'm done. The cables are well managed and not too fine, but at least very organized now. You can see I will still be doing some minor adjustments after I reposition the table, but you can see I just had to I screwed in a screw over the table here and then tied a strong wire like a loop over it. Then I put my wires through the loop. So I made like 6 loops.
So as you guys see, it's working. My MacBook is there, my my CPU is there, so I use that module there to switch. When I'm ready, I can use that one, but either ways everything is working fine that I've tested. I've not tested everything, but so far it is doing well. I like the outcome of the cable. I can no longer see the clutter of cable from the under anymore, so it's a little more sane now. I'm very happy with the result, and due to the fact that I will be doing some upgrades in the future, I chose not to overdo it to the point where if I need to make extra changes, I don't need to tear my head out and redo everything. So that solution I used was I screwed in a screw over on my main wood here and made a loop out of that screw, and from there I put my wires through them, so the whole wires are in alignment and they don't look too jumbled, and the ones that have excess I've more or less zip tied them in a loop. So hopefully this will be helpful for me when I plan to do different upgrades in the future, when I add wires or when I try to remove wires. So my display cables are fine, my power cables are fine, my input cables, my output cables, my USBs, they are also routed very well, and yeah, it's good. I'm very exhausted right now. So like, share, subscribe, hit the notification icon so that you can know when I release a new video in the future. So anyhow, guys and gals, take care and bye bye. Thank you for watching.